I got a Bachelor's of Science degree at the University of Washington in cell and molecular biology. And why I wanted to join a graduate program was because I did a project in Bonnie Brewer's lab at University of Washington looking at telomere replication dynamics in Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and the work was just really cool. It was, you're discovering things and then you get really nice results, and you have your ups and downs, but the whole process was just very, very awesome. I decided to enroll at CMU primarily because the size of the department really was a good fit for me. During recruitment, the faculty and the students all really knew each other, and they were able to talk to each other about each other's projects and be completely comfortable in understanding each other's projects and offering advice and comments on each other's projects, and that really was what I was looking for in a department. I graduated in summer 2011 from Javier Lopez's lab. My thesis work involved discovering the biological function and the method of activation of recursive splice sites. What recursive splice sites are juxtaposed 3' and 5' splice sites that essentially define a zero nucleotide exon. The recursive splice site is used in a stepwise fashion, first as a 3' splice site, then as a 5' splice site, to remove a large intron in 2 or more steps, depending on the number of recursive splice sites in the intron. Because nobody knows what they do in the fruit fly, my model organism, or how they work, that is something that I decided to set out to discover. I learned many valuable skills during my time here at CMU. First and foremost is how to do bench work. I mean, I had a stint as an undergrad researcher, but it really did prepare me to be able to think about doing science the way it's supposed to be done, with all of the hypotheses, and then working on designing the experiment to be as efficient as possible, and then drawing conclusions from your results. That's probably first and foremost the best thing I learned. I also learned how to present scientific research and how to write about scientific research. And all of these skills, I think, will prepare me for the next step in my life. I'm planning on moving to Seattle and looking for a postdoctoral position there. My wife and my family are in Seattle, and I would like to join them as soon as possible. Seattle offers a lot of postdoctoral opportunities for somebody like me because there's a lot of research centers. University of Washington is there, Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center is there, Puget Sound Blood Bank is there. They do research as well. So I would just like to go and pursue a postdoctoral position as soon as possible. For prospective students thinking about applying to graduate school, I would say make sure that you're ready for 5 years of straight science in a particular place. That's pretty much how long it takes for a biology student to get their Ph.D., so be prepared. For a student that has already decided they wanted to go to graduate school, I would say CMU would be a great place if you're not looking for a department that does particularly everything, and it's a huge department filled with lots of people. CMU has a very good spread of disciplines. The size is great because it's a small community-sized sort of department. We all get along. I mean, we have a lot of fun being who we are. So I think, CMU is a great place to go to graduate school.